Over time, carbon buildup robs your engine of power, fuel economy, and smooth performance. Walk down any auto aisle and you'll see countless bottles promising to fix it, but most are nothing more than pricey fakes. A select few, though, are backed by results and trusted by pros. We've sorted the failures from the real winners, so you know exactly what's worth your money. First up, let's look at the 7 so-called cleaners that fail to deliver and often leave engines no better than before. Number 7. The all-in-one miracle fluid. You've seen them. The dusty can on the bottom shelf that promises to be a total engine treatment, a motor revitalizer, or a mechanic in a can. The label claims it not only cleans your fuel injectors, but also lubricates your pistons, quiets your lifters, conditions your seals, and probably makes you a gourmet dinner. The reality is that these products are a classic case of being a jack of all trades and a master of none. To be effective, a fuel injector cleaner needs a high concentration of specific detergents. To work as an oil additive, it needs a completely different chemistry. It's hard to believe, but by trying to do everything, these formulas end up being so diluted that they can't do anything well. They contain just a tiny splash of a weak solvent and a bit of lubricant, spread so thin across your entire fuel and oil system that it has zero impact on those hardened carbon deposits. You are better off setting your $10 on fire. At least that would generate some heat. But the so-called kerosene specials won't even warm up a stubborn carbon deposit. Number 6. The kerosene special. This is the most common scam of all. Many of the cheapest private label injector cleaners, the ones that often sell for just a few dollars, are made of almost 99% pale oil, mineral spirits, or kerosene. You see, these are excellent solvents. They can cut through grease and grime on a shop floor with no problem. But baked-on carbon deposits inside an engine's combustion chamber, which endures temperatures over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, are a completely different beast. Kerosene simply isn't strong enough to dissolve them. Pouring this into your tank is like trying to pressure wash your driveway with a spray bottle. It might wash away some of the lightest, freshest varnish, but it won't touch the hard, built-up carbon that is the real source of your problems. The marketers of these products are counting on the placebo effect. You feel like you did something good for your car, but in reality, you just diluted your gasoline with a slightly different petroleum product. And dilution is exactly why octane boosters fail at being cleaners. Number 5. The octane booster myth. There's no doubt that octane boosters have a real purpose. They are designed to increase the octane rating of gasoline, which helps prevent engine knock or pre-detonation in high-performance, high-compression engines. They absolutely have their place. But they are not fuel injector cleaners. Some brands will put "with cleaning agents" in tiny letters on the label to trick you into thinking you are getting a 2-for-1 deal. The reality is that the amount of detergent in a typical bottle of octane booster is minuscule. Its primary job is to alter the fuel's combustion properties, not to clean anything. Using an octane booster in a regular commuter car that doesn't require it is a complete waste of money and will do nothing to clean your injectors. It's like taking a painkiller for a broken arm. It might mask a symptom, but it does nothing to fix the actual problem, which is the carbon buildup. And when buildup is already there, a maintenance-only cleaner is hopeless. Number 4. The maintenance-only cleaner. Some fuel system cleaners advertise that they contain PIB, or polyisobutylene. PIB is indeed a detergent, but it is a very mild one. It works best as a preventive measure rather than a fix. You can think of it as a maintenance chemical that helps keep injectors clean once they are already free of buildup. The problem is that when injectors are clogged with hardened carbon deposits, PIB is not strong enough to remove them. Brushing your teeth after cavities form is a good comparison. The damage is already there, and the mild cleaner will not undo it. If you are using a PIB-based product to try to fix a rough idle or hesitation, you will be disappointed. It simply does not have the strength to reverse problems that are already present. Worse still, ultra-concentrated bottles don't even carry enough ingredients to start a fight. Number 3. The ultra-concentrated scam. You might see a tiny 2-ounce bottle that claims it can treat up to 25 gallons of fuel. It sounds like a great deal, a powerful concentrated formula. But this is often a marketing trick. The thing nobody tells you is that a significant portion of any fuel additive is the carrier fluid, a type of solvent necessary to get the active ingredients to mix properly with the gasoline. In these tiny bottles, there's barely enough room for the carrier fluid, let alone a meaningful dose of actual detergents. You end up with a formula that is so weak, it's like pouring a single drop of soap into a full bathtub and expecting it to get you clean. Effective cleaning requires a certain concentration of chemicals in the fuel. These micro bottles almost never achieve that level, making them completely ineffective against serious carbon buildup. Don't be fooled by the small size. In this case, it usually signifies a small effect. And if weakness is bad, products that promise to cheat emissions tests are outright scams. Number 2. The pass your emissions gimmick. Some products on the shelf are the automotive equivalent of a payday loan, a desperate short-term fix with no real long-term benefit. They are the last resort for drivers staring at a check engine light just before a mandatory state emissions test. The bottles look flashy and promise a guaranteed pass, but what is inside is nothing more than a volatile mix of chemicals designed to temporarily fool the sensors and testing machine. They do nothing to clean injectors or solve the real issue that triggered the failure in the first place. These additives are often loaded with alcohols and other agents that can lean out the fuel mixture or alter the exhaust gas readings for a short distance, usually just long enough to scrape through the test. Once the chemical cocktail burns away, the original problem is still there. The check engine light comes back on, and the underlying issue, whether clogged injectors, a failing oxygen sensor, or a weak catalytic converter, remains untouched. Passing the test this way may buy you a little time, but your engine gains nothing from it. In the end, it is money spent on a temporary trick that leaves your car no better than before. But the most damaging mistake of all is grabbing a diesel cleaner for a gasoline engine. Number 1. The diesel cleaner in a gas car. This mistake happens far more often than you would think, and it's a perfect example of how a little bit of bad information can lead to big problems. A person might grab the wrong bottle by accident in the auto parts store, or they might operate under the flawed logic that diesel engines are tougher and dirtier, so their cleaners must be stronger. This is a dangerous and completely incorrect assumption. Diesel fuel systems and gasoline fuel systems are two completely different worlds, operating on fundamentally different principles. It's like comparing a firefighter's water hose to a surgeon's scalpel. They are both tools, but you would never use one for the other's job. The thing is, diesel fuel itself is a type of light oil, while gasoline is a powerful solvent. The engines are different, the combustion process is different, and the deposits they leave behind are different. A diesel injector cleaner is formulated with a heavy, oily base and detergents designed to work in that oily environment to combat the specific problem of soot and sludge. A gasoline cleaner, on the other hand, is designed to work in a solvent environment to dissolve the hard, baked-on carbon varnish that is unique to gasoline engines. At the very best, putting a diesel additive in your gas tank will do absolutely nothing. That's why it pays to know which formulas are made for your engine and actually deliver results. Here are the 3 gasoline cleaners that stand above the rest. Number 3. The PEA Powerhouse. If you want to separate the marketing hype from the genuine, effective products, there is one thing you need to look for. The magic ingredient, the undisputed champion of injector cleaning, is a chemical called polyetheramine, or PEA for short. This is a complex, nitrogen-based detergent that was patented and perfected by major chemical companies over decades of intense research. And it has a unique, almost magical ability to clean away carbon deposits. Its real superpower is that it can survive the extreme heat of the combustion chamber. This allows it to clean not just the relatively cool fuel injectors, but also the piston tops and intake valves where temperatures are incredibly high. When you use a cleaner with a high concentration of PEA, it goes to work chemically breaking down the molecular structure of the hardened carbon. It doesn't just dissolve the surface. It gets deep into the deposit, lifting it away from the metal surfaces in microscopic flakes that are then harmlessly burned away. Cheaper alcohol-based cleaners simply can't do this. The first time you use a real PEA-based cleaner, you might not notice a huge difference right away. But as it works its way through a full tank of gas, it is relentlessly scrubbing your entire fuel system from the inside out. But real game changers add supporting chemistry for holistic protection. Number 2. The Complete System Cleaner. Now, these products use a high dose of PEA as their foundation, but then add a powerful supporting cast of other crucial ingredients to create a holistic treatment for your car. Think of it as the difference between taking a simple aspirin and taking a multivitamin designed to support your entire body. These formulas understand that a healthy engine requires more than just clean injectors. That's where professional-grade PEA delivers its unmatched punch. Number 1. The professional-grade formula. These are the professional-grade, highly concentrated PEA formulas. You can spot them because they often cost a little more than the other bottles on the shelf, and they will proudly advertise the highest concentration of polyethyramine on the market. These are not meant for casual, weekly use. These are the products that can genuinely turn back the clock on a neglected engine. Think of it as the difference between brushing your teeth every day and going to the dentist for a professional deep cleaning. This stuff is designed to be a massive, one-tank shock treatment. Are car companies and fuel producers intentionally making fuels that clog injectors just to sell you a solution later? Let us know what you think. Like this video and subscribe for more secrets they don't want you to know.